And I think I'm gonna trim this one. Where are my scissors? You see that? Keep it, just trim it. Right in the middle of my nails. It doesn't have tacky layer because we already removed it. Just that scissor. Ta-da! And now.
And that's it.
That's it. All done. Just kidding. I don't know. Jessica said just it. Watermelons. Me too. Like earlier, I would say like, oh, now I'm gonna put I hold chamfer for it. And I said, wait a minute, I'm holding condensed glue gels, and then I'm saying it. It's just so funny. Like, we're so excited and into it, and in the meantime, like, everybody tried to hold up for, okay, top coat this one. I was saying like, okay, now I'm gonna apply. It's just all sudden in my head. I was saying it, chamfer for. It's funny, and it's just saying naturally, like, I am doing a chamfer for. And I said, wait a minute, this is not chamfer for. It's not I hold chamfer for. I said I hold chamfer for. It just, it's okay. We're all good together. Yeah, you good? You put it in here for me. Don't drop this. Oh, ladies, just for your information, don't drop this, because if you drop this, you're gonna break this. We don't want that. So make sure you put it in the case so you won't break them. Okay, so I'm gonna move this one away because we're all going to do some 3D flowers on my nails. So usually you're seeing that I'm doing for clients and I do for someone else, but you can haven't seen me get chance to do my own nails. So I am going to do it on my own nails right now. I am going to get my 3D brush out. Great. Can I grab some monomers here? What color would you like to see? Pink. I'm gonna using monomers right here. And what color would you like to see the flowers? You want a white with nude, white with pink, white with yellow. Oh, white with yellow is good. But you pick. I have yellow on mine. Blue flowers. Jessica, you should do yours. Blue. Tiffany blue. Okay. I'm gonna do the American's white. You can do white, you can do American whites and the colors that you want. Been looking for some new nail stuff, so many places to order from. Tiffany blue is gorgeous. Okay, we're doing Tiffany blue. Okay. Let's do Tiffany blue. Let me test it first if it's good. If it like light, we can do yellow because yellow will pop really nice, like really stand out.
Thought you do yellow.
My 3D brush. Let me test. Not bad, it looks good. But it's gonna be light though. Okay. So let's see where we're at now. Can we see my nails?
You just put your nail on top, yes.
Right here? Right here. Oh, ready?
Okay.
Okay. Like that.
You want to do it like that?
Like that.
Yes, keep one on the base.
If you wanna do, so this one is light. Light. Let me place them on. Do it again. Can you check to see Instagram and Facebook and see? So usually a lot of you will try
Yep,
to
you can see.
draw and then create the C shape. Like sometimes it's hard to do that at once, and by the time you draw the C shape, which is the half moon, the powder is already dry. So I'm sharing with tip and trick. You can using the body of the brush and the tip of the brush, you can draw the petals and the C shape at the same time. So get another bead, same size as the first bead. So if you're doing this 3 of them, make sure they're all the same size. When they're still wet, lay the beads. And using the body, can Facebook and Instagram see? Oh, my nails hit in that one. Sarah had the really nice one on her fingernails. She's did amazing. I remember we did the show last year in ABS Chicago. She did really beautiful on mine, and I did one on her. Just having so much fun this year. We couldn't go because of the situation that we couldn't go to. Look at that, this one is so wet to Chicago, but we'll definitely I'm gonna do it 3 battles this time. Make sure when you do draw 3 of them together, they gonna create a perfect, like a circle, a round shape for you. So then it make it looks balanced and pretty. This side number 2 brush, everyone, just in case for your information, we do have some inquiries asking about the size of it.
So,
Sure. And now you done 1, 2, 3 petals. If you want to take a note, if you lay the second layer, you're gonna lay your first petals right between the connection of the 2 petals of the first layer. So you lay it right here, and right here. So that's why it's gonna look so nice. And then I'm gonna using a smaller bead than the first layer. I think I'm gonna do 3. let it set. Hold on. I might have to hold this up. Just so excited. It's gonna look so cute. Interesting to do in your own nails. Next one. Can everybody still see me? This is soft pink, blue. Sorry. Wait, I don't have pink in here. So using a same thing, using tips of the brush and the body of the brush to draw the design. Lay that right in the middle. And give it right in the tips of the brush. Give it a little swirl right there. And now it's perfect in the center. I might move my finger. Next one, I'm gonna do a couple leaves down here. You see I have two of them at the same time when it's wet. I'm using a chisel nail art just for your information. I'm gonna using some crystal, place them a little bit later. Ah, it looks so beautiful. One more. So you dip in the monomers and pick up one. Dip in the second colors. Clean the brush so then your brush will not saturate with the monomer. Thank you so much for joining me today, because you see if I do my nails, I'm watching episodes or listening to some cool books. Really sounding like on like books.